Task Force Canlaon, led by Office of Civil Defense Western Visayas Director Raul Fernandez, has ordered mandatory evacuations for residents within a 6-kilometer extended danger zone around Mount Canlaon due to rising volcanic activity. Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, or PHIVOLCS, reports ash emissions, low-frequency earthquakes, and ground deformation with a possible escalation to alert level 4. Local government units are activating contingency plans, while health officials address risks in evacuation centers. Meanwhile, OCD Central Visayas Director Joel Eristain advised evacuees to remain in evacuation centers for their safety.
Hindi po talaga natin masasabi kung tatagal o hindi, pero alam naman natin na bisperas na po ng Kapaskuhan po bukas. Sigurado po na kailangan pong manatili po ang ating pong mga kababayan dyan po sa evacuation centers at huwag muna pong pauwiin. Napapasukin po sila sa loob ng 6-kilometer radius.